Superb Melt Ball Diamond Cutting Machine is developed through years of research and testing. It has many advantages, such as fully automatic operation system. It's efficient, stable, accurate and easy to operate. Up to 10,000 bead program types. This helps customers achieve any desired effect. Smart touch screen control. As long as you enter data in front of the screen, you can control the machine in all directions. High precision cutting. Ensure that each bead is cut accurately according to the program, with almost no error. Automatic feeding system. No need for manual feeding, saving labor cost. HD camera plus screen display. Real-time monitoring of cutting details. Superb Melt provides customers with the best solution for making beads, and has won unanimous praise from customers in terms of automation system, high production capacity, labor saving and sales services.